Disabled Wi-Fi, how to enable. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can enable disabled Wi-Fi, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to enable disabled Wi-Fi, first of all, it could be the Wi-Fi issue itself. So if you have another devices like your secondary Android phone or your computer, try to check if your Wi-Fi is working on those devices as well, because in this case the issue could be coming from Wi-Fi, so you have to call your internet service provider, the customer care, and just try to get help with the issue. But if the issue is only occurring on one of your devices and all the other devices the Wi-Fi is working fine, then the issue now could be with your device. Now we can come to that conclusion. So first of all, just turn off your Wi-Fi, just turn on flight mode, and once you turn on flight mode, just go ahead and enable Wi-Fi back again and try to connect to it and see if this actually helps you, right? After you've done this, you can simply try to open up settings. You can go to about phone section, you can go to reset. Now we're not going to factory erase it, we will simply reset all settings by tapping on reset all settings. Tap on reset and then we will be able to enter our pin and then reset all of our settings. And then last but not the least, you can simply try to restart your device. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically enable a disabled Wi-Fi. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.